Naturally, we find ourselves wondering how he would have covered the monumental stories of our time. Addressing all of them at once is a monumental task. For all of you hanging in there tough on an issue that I think 10 years from now, 5 years from now, we're going to look back and say, this was a monumental achievement that could not have happened had it not been for this caucus.
Its home in the Carnegie Mansion has undergone, as the First Lady mentioned, a monumental and exciting renovation. And when the doors reopen on December the 12th, visitors will be able to interact with design like never before.
It was a monumental, heroic task. And yet more than half of us in many elections opt out. And if there's one thing to take away from Selma, it's that there is power
in that vote.